My name is Jennifer Brown, and I will be your crypto guide. The future will be built on the blockchain, and those who truly desire to step into their power and improve their financial situation by learning about some of the most innovative wealth creation opportunities of our lifetime are those who are going to profit the most. So I want to take out my crystal ball and take a look into the future. But there's more than one way to interpret the future. For example, you may or may not know this about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin will have another halving. After about 210,000 blocks, if its block time stays consistent at about every 10 minutes, that will put us around May 4th of 2024. When this happens, Bitcoin's inflation rate will fall from 2% to less than 1%. The total supply of newly created Bitcoin will drop from 900 per day to 450 per day. This could create a supply crunch and push the price up. That is, as long as demand doesn't plummet all at the same time. We also know that the future of Bitcoin includes the slow and steady growth of payment networks being built on top of it, like the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network offers nearly instantaneous transactions at extremely low fees. There's also the growing list of individuals, organizations, and even governments that are investing in Bitcoin. Last month, my husband and I traveled to El Salvador, where they have started to accept Bitcoin as a national currency. Now, the Central African Republic has followed their lead. While the global economic impact of these two countries are small, they could be the first dominoes to fall, pushing other nation states into accepting the largest crypto as a currency. The difference between Bitcoin and the government fiat currency is that no matter how bad leaders want to save their bond market or convert diesel locomotives into solar power locomotives, they just can't print more Bitcoin. So Bitcoin could become a premier global currency. Finally, let's take a look at the possible future price of Bitcoin. So if you're a patient investor, you could see 45x returns from here. Bitcoin is attracting a growing number of users, investors, and speculators, all pursuing its limited supply. But it's going to take a little bit more than supply versus demand for Bitcoin's market cap to hit $20 trillion. Bitcoin will soar thanks to the never-ending devaluation of our fiat currencies. So, for example, the US dollar has lost 85% of its purchasing power since the US abandoned the gold standard in 1971. In short, I've said Bitcoin will hit $1 million in our lifetime, and I'm going to stick with it. That's why right here, right now, is an opportunity for women who are ready to step into their power and improve their financial situation by learning about some of the most innovative wealth creation opportunities of our lifetime is now.